Hi, my name is Angela Nurse. I'm the marketing director for Fortress, and I am here with Tom DiAgostino, the managing partner for Fortress. So, hi Tom, how are you?
Pretty good, thanks. How are you?
Good, thank you. Want to talk to you a little bit about you and what you're going to be teaching at the RIA in the very near future. So, can we start out with you telling me a little bit about your background?
Well, when I got into the real estate business around 1992, I was a finder for Ornstein Construction, who was a company that built strip malls and apartment complexes. And what I did was I found properties uh, in the tax liens in New Jersey.
Okay, so you've been involved in tax liens for quite some time then.
Yes.
And why do you think that tax liens make such a great investment vehicle?
When I started a few years after going to work for Sam Ornstein, and I went out on my own, what happened was tax liens was the foundation of everything I did in the construction industry.
And why do you think that it's such a great way or strategy for both seasoned investors and newbies alike?
What happens is when you're buying a tax lien, you're buying a piece of property for between 3 cents and 8 cents on a dollar. So you're getting in at pennies on a dollar. When you're buying liens, when you're buying deeds, what's happening is this: you're getting in for about 33 cents on a dollar. So no matter what happens, if the economy slides a little bit, or if material costs go up a little bit, or if you miss on your estimates, there's so much meat on the bone, you're always going to make a very, very good profit on the project.
Okay, that sounds great. Well, I know that Fortress has a lot of different tools that they make available for investors. Can you tell us briefly what some of those are and how they help the investors?
Well, first and foremost, how they help the investor, regardless if he's a rehabber, a landlord, or a wholesaler, is we fill your funnel. Regardless of what type investor you are, you need a funnel of jobs to keep moving. And what we do is we have a calendar. And a calendar is every tax lien sale and tax deed sale in the United States every day of the year. And we also have what's called the over-the-counter list, the leftover stuff that nobody bid at auction, where you can go in a very unemotional way and just go to the counter and pick up a tax deed or a tax certificate and wait for it to, and basically fill your funnel.
Well, I know from having attended one of your trainings myself before we started working together that you're very generous with the amount of information that you share at these meetings. And but tell me a little bit about what the students will be learning.
Well, what I say usually when I get in front of a crowd is it's not what you know today that makes you successful. It's your ability to unlearn and relearn new things. A lot of investors know to go to the MLS or go to Craigslist or go to a place to buy a piece of property and pay too much. I think they're leaving money on the table. And the first thing they're going to learn is another avenue of investment, firstly. Secondly, what's going to happen is we have a road wealth map. And what this tool is this: Corey, the other managing partner, my partner, he examines every county either as a certificate or as a deed in the United States. He checks the demographics, he checks property values, he checks inclines of values, he checks rental properties. He's so detailed that he can tell you you don't only have to invest in your neighborhood, you can go outside your comfort zone, let's say, and move forward in investing.
Excellent. Well, we're really excited that you're going to be speaking at the club, but I know that there are some giveaways as well, which
Yes.
everybody likes. And what else can they expect?
Well, the first thing we're going to do is we're going to give them a Head Start video. what this Head Start video is going to do is it's going to sit down and explain every facet of the tax lien business. And the second thing we're going to do is on our website, and you know better than anybody else, we have this Focus Friday. And we're going to put together 4 topics of the Focus Fridays so that they can sit down and get some real meat and potato training of exactly what's going on in the business. We're going to go over accelerated strategies. We're going to go over some how to rehab. We're going to go over how to wholesale. We had 4 really, really good sessions that we're going to give them to listen. It's close to 5 hours worth of training for free, just for showing up.
Great, great. Well, there you have it. Tom, is there anything else that you'd like to share?
Yeah. Listen, when you come to the event, you got to ask yourself one question. That question is this: do you have everything you need in real estate right now to get to the next level? The question is this: to get to where you need to go, you have to do things you've never done before. I'll see you there.